All right, 05 to 09 Mustang Automatic. This stupid thing. Many times these things will break, come apart like this one has. I'm going to show you how to change it real quick for 20 bucks. First, take this off. Easy peasy. Second, pull up your emergency brake. Third, remove these two 7mm. Fourth, remove these two 10mm. And if you have one of these dumb things, Allen wrench, pull that off. All right, chalk the wheels, pull your shifter back to neutral or drive. And don't forget, you got to take off your shifter. You remove this screw or Allen wrench here, and you pull this off very carefully, pressing this button. All right, sometimes it's a Phillips head, the screw. Sometimes it's one of these dumb Allen wrenches. I don't know what size this is. I can't read the damn thing. Okay, be careful because there is a plug. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. All right, you just have to get a little screwdriver down in here and unplug it. Okay, so now get down in here and start removing this plastic cover. Oh, and yes, it is a struggle. Okay, once you got it up, you can then get this stupid thing off. Make sure you pop this out. Now you're going to lose the line for this, but I mean, if you don't know what gear or it's in, you shouldn't be driving this car. Okay, that's what the broken one looks like. This one's split right there. Now I'm going to clean this up, and then I'm going to put the $20 one on there. Okay, all cleaned up. This is cleaned up. Clean that up. You can even paint that color match if you want. Okay, other than the factory, this is the $15, $20 one. I mean, it's all you need. It's made out of, believe it or not, plastic notebook. There you go. Drop it in place. Pop this back on. Okay, pop this back on. Okay, push it down. All right, run your plug down here, and then you'll get to it from the side here. All right, put the shifter back, screw back on. And check this bad boy before you... Oh yeah, it looks pretty. Before you put it back together, there you go. So make sure it shifts. And then put your console back in. All right, got the center console back on, the 10mm there, the 7mm there. Put the shifter bezel back on. E-brake cover, fancy ass thing. So when you put the bottom of the console, then you install these, then the top of the console goes on, because it's like a jigsaw puzzle. But there you have it. That's how you fix that.